So the first constraint that we're going to look at today is going to be the mate constraint. The mate constraint is used to pretty much glue two faces together. So to get to the constraint, I go right up to my toolbar. I'm going to click on the constraint tab here. And this is going to show all the different types of constraints I can use. The first one I'm going to select right here is mate. And then if you look over here, there's two different solutions. I can either do the mate solution or I can do the flush solution. The first one that we're going to work with is the mate. So I'm going to come over to my block, my two smaller blocks here, and I'm going to make sure I select the entire face here. You can see how it grabs that entire face. And then I'm going to rotate around so I can see the opposite face right here that I want to join together with it. And when I click on it with those two, and click apply, now those two blocks are joined together. What you'll notice though, all that's joined together is the faces. So if I move this block up or down or left and right, it will move all around. So I only constrain that plane. So what I need to do to finish getting this so it's constrained and it's one single piece, I need to go back to my constraint tab. I'm gonna once again use the mate constraint, and then this time I'm gonna use the flush. Now, for the flush, same thing. I'm gonna grab the entire top face of this block, the entire top face of the second block. I'm going to constrain them together. And now if we look at this, now all I can do is move it side to side. So because I constrain the top of these so that they're both mated together, I can no longer move it up and down. So the last thing I need to do to keep it from moving back and forth like this is mate two of these sides together and use my mate flush. I'm going to come through, I'm going to flush and flush, and I'm all set to go. So now that is one solid piece. So by using the two constraints up here, by using my mate and then my flush to hold this all together, I have effectively made this block one piece.